SC Speed RC Racing. Welcome and thanks for tuning in today. This is SC with SC Speed RC Racing, and today we're going to be cutting out the HPI Racing 1967 Stingray body. So let's get into it. So we got the HPI body right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the back end of this off first because this is a two-piece body. And once I get that cut off, then I'll go through and do all my trimming to get the body cut out and get it ready to be painted. So we're going to start here. We're cutting the body. So we come here and I'll cut right here. You want to make sure you get your actual right cutting scissors. This body here is actually it's pretty hard body. So you gotta be careful cutting this out, because when they hard like this, they're easy to crack. So you just cut out. You're just gonna basically cut it off. Let's see here. Cut it off right here. Cut this side. Let's see. Let me try some scissors that cut straight. These are more of a curved scissor. Come here. Just to get this cut out. Don't seem to work too well. So we got the back end cut away from the body of the car out of the mold here. So let's see. The best place to start would be to start cutting here around the mold line. Let's cut this lip off first. See how this is gonna do. You see it's a little bit more challenging cut. Especially cutting with a set of curved scissors. So let's see here. And it's gonna take a little time. There. Let's see. That's the first cut there. Cut that end off. Just following the body line. And with the magic of getting this cut out, here we go. All right, so got the body cut out. The only thing I have to do now is go back and sand it. So you got this two-piece body. So this is the back bumper. And this is what it's gonna look like with the back bumper on the body. So it fits pretty good. I'm not displeased with it. It looked like it came cut out pretty decent. One thing about it, I will have to probably paint this body before I actually mount this on, because you can see the body back here at the back. So the top part is gonna have to be painted first in order to get this body on. Now what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and run a dremmer tool across some of these edges that I couldn't get the scissors in and clean that up a little bit. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. Let me show you how to clean it up. So I got the dremmer tool with the white top, and I just turn it on low and see how it's actually going to perform first before I turn it up on high. So I just turn it on low, and I'll come here and just see. Turn it up on high. So I got that first one trimmed out. So this is just to show you what it looks like. And what I'm going to do actually here is feel it smoothed out. And I take the actual sanding paper. This is a, what is this? An 80 grit sandpaper. And just knock off the burrs, because this actually cut it into forms. So just knock off the burrs here. See there? And this will really give you a good edge on these things. There's the burrs there. I'm gonna go ahead and hit those. So this is what you do. Be careful with the body not to scrape the inside where you leave any marks on it. Just a little bit in the inside is fine, because the paint will cover it, but you don't want to go up into the body way up in here somewhere, because then you'll see those scratches on the inside of the body once you finish painting it. So this is how I do it. And I usually come out with pretty decent edges. And being that I'm going to put liquid mask on this, if I have any spots where the outside masking is disturbed or anything like that, I can take and spray the liquid mask on it to fill those spots in and cover it up so it don't get on the outside of the body. So this will be one portion of it. And cutting this body out sometimes is a little bit where you got to cut different angles with those type of scissors. They cut really good, but they can get a little rough edges on them. So just fill those spots in and just keep sanding here like this till I get the burrs knocked off. This is a tedious part of it, but once you get it done, you'll be very happy and pleased with it. So we'll be right back with it, and you'll see the finished product. I won't have you sit through this whole sanding process, but this is the part where editing magic puts in its work. And get you some shades, something to keep the dust out of your eyes. So let's go. All right, so we got the car washed up, and we got the body cut out, body trimmed up, cut out pretty good. I am gonna let this dry, even though I dried it with a cloth. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit longer, and when we come back into another video, I do the painting and the body scheme that I'm gonna put on here. And I'm not sure what the body scheme is gonna be yet, but I definitely gonna put a body, some type of style on this body to get it put together. But as far as sanding everything down, getting all the pieces where they need to be. It came out pretty good. Sanding came out pretty good. There's no really rough spots or anything like that on the body edges. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna have to paint this body first in order for this you not to be able to see this bumper attached to the body like so. Now, how I'm gonna get this body painted, but I do know we're gonna get this painted in the next few videos. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment.